These rose petals just arrived for an event coming up. My first impression, they are so super soft. They kind of feel like velvet, and the color is really gorgeous in person. Really impressed with the amount that comes in this box. It says 180 petals. It's a good size box, and it is packed completely full. I'm gonna try to throw these in the lake and just see how they work. They are fully biodegradable because they are real petals. They're just dried and dehydrated. So let's see what we think. Oh, they're like the sweetest little touch. I think these would be absolutely gorgeous at an event, wedding, anything like that. And I love that I don't have to worry about their impact. So cute and stunning. So I'd say first impressions, super soft. Love that they are more elegant. They bring that kind of special event to the vibe. Very memorable, very pretty in person. Thanks to the seller for sending these over. These are absolutely gorgeous. So happy.